In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate time tracking in Monday.com. If you're someone who often finds it tricky to keep track of time spent on various tasks and projects, this video will guide you through a seamless process to set up an automated system using Monday.com. Let's dive straight into it. First, open up your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the Login button, and if you're using Google to access your account, simply click the Google option and select your Google account from the list available to you. This will quickly log you in, bypassing the need to remember another password. After logging in, head over to your designated board where you manage your tasks. This board is the central hub for organizing and tracking your project activities, so navigate to it carefully. Once on your board, locate the Template Center. The Template Center is a fantastic feature enabling you to leverage pre-built structures and layouts, saving you time and effort in setting up. Click on it, and in the search bar, type in Timesheet. You'll find a timesheet template recommended for keeping track of hours spent on various activities. Click on this timesheet template. After reviewing the layout to ensure it meets your requirements, go ahead and click Use Template to incorporate it into your board. With your timesheet template set up, it's time to customize it further. Look for the plus icon in your table. This icon allows you to add new columns to your board, tailoring it to fit your tracking needs. Next, you'll need to click on Formula to set up specific calculations in your timesheet. This step ensures that your tracking is not just manual updates, but involves smart calculations and data management. Then, look for the AI Assistant tab. This feature in Monday.com can enhance the effectiveness of your board by automating repetitive, mundane tasks. Type in any query or command you need to optimize your time tracking capabilities and assist you in managing the workflow. After typing in your query or command, hit Send and let the AI Assistant work its magic, providing you with suggestions or even automated setups to improve your time management system. Once you receive the necessary input or suggestion, click Insert to apply it. Finally, with everything set up, click on Set Formula. This final step solidifies all the formula adjustments, automations, and customizations you have made, ensuring that your time tracking is both precise and reliable. And there you have it. Your time tracking solution in Monday.com is now automated, making your life simpler by allowing you to focus on completing tasks rather than just tracking them. Remember, efficient time management is key to productivity, and with this setup, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tracking.